Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Michael Morales. You can call me Mr. Morales, Mr. M, or Mr. This video is 1.1 first day of school for AP Government or AP GoPo for shorts. Everything is going to be done on Canvas, not Google Classroom. So let's just go over it. Hopefully you saw my email that tells you what to do, or maybe you went to Google Classroom and you saw the announcement that says go straight to Canvas. But everything that we do will be on Canvas, all right? When you begin class with me, go to Canvas. After you go to Google Hangouts and check in with me for attendance. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm kind of tired because I've done like 15 videos today preparing for everything. I do all my videos like at once. Anyways, um, let's look at 1.1 and then I'll tell you about myself as we go through it. The assignment for your first day of school is this one right here, 1.1 first day of school. Since it is Monday for GoPo when you guys have me, you guys start on August 10th. I'll always have the date up here so that you guys don't get confused with which one you're supposed to be on. Welcome to AP US Government and Politics. I'll refer to it as GoPo. I already told you my name. Let me tell you something about myself. I love sports. I love video games, movies, history. I enjoy good conversation about sports and video games, anything like that. I'm always going to be available during school hours if you need to chat with me. I answer emails and messages from Google Hangouts pretty quickly. Don't be afraid to contact me for any little thing that you need help in. Now let's begin. This is my first year teaching AP Government, so it's going to be a cool little journey. My first AP class was last year. I taught human geography, and it was really fun. And I'm really excited to be teaching AP Government. Lots of good, interesting stuff here. This is also a biomed course, so either all of you or most of you in this class are in biomed, so we will be doing biomed stuff maybe once a week, give or take. But I'm not going to go over biomed too much right now. What else? Yeah, that's about it. Let's just go over the directions for today for 1.1. I'm going to really try to make this video as short as I can. But for number 1, join the Google Hangouts for first period GoPo. Click on the blue link above to join Google Hangouts. So let me just put that link in right now because it's not there. But we have our own Google Hangouts page. The reason why I didn't put a link is because I have 3 classes that I'm going to post this assignment to. And I can't just put one link for all the assignments. So let's say, for example, your AP GoPo first period. This link that I'm going to share on Canvas, it's going to be right here. So when you see your assignment on your own classroom, it's going to be like that, right? Just click on that one and it'll take you and it'll invite you so that you could join. But that's the first thing that you're doing for your first day of school at GoPo is join the Google Hangouts. This is where I will always be online during class hours. If you have a question, a comment, if you're checking in for attendance to say, hi, mister, I'm here, I'm about to get started, that's where you're going to go. Number 2, watch this video that introduces myself and AP GoPo. So obviously I'm recording the video right now, so the link isn't there, but the video that you're currently watching is the one that's on this link. This video is going to help you learn what AP GoPo is all about and what materials you need. So let me go over that right now. AP Government is pretty much meant to help you understand how the United States government works. US history was more about what happened in the past. AP Government is more about how does the government function, basically. You're going to learn about the president. You're going to learn about all of the courts. You're going to learn about all of the lawmakers. You're going to learn about the ideologies of American politics. There's a bunch of stuff that you learn in AP Government. You learn about elections. How do elections work? How do people vote? How are the votes counted? You learn about civil rights, civil liberties. It's a lot of stuff, and it's awesome. I'm so happy to be able to teach this to you guys. I hope that when you guys are done with this class, you have a good idea of how politics work, so that we aren't easily swayed by radical ideas and news that is pretty much meant to be a lie or to influence others. So that I hope that you guys can become critical thinkers and you can think for yourselves by the end of this class when it comes to, just politics in general. It's a very passionate topic, right? A lot of arguments could get started. What materials do you need for this class? You need a notebook for sure, so get your notebooks now. You need a pen or pencil to write in your notebook. I really recommend that you get yourself a highlighter, because whenever we do lectures or something and I tell you, you should probably highlight this term or highlight this sentence, because it's going to be part of the test or it's part of the AP test, etc., etc. So highlighter, notebook, pen or pencil. You're going to need a textbook. I don't have my textbook yet. I'm actually going to go right now to the library to check it out. And you also obviously need a computer and an internet connection. That's pretty much the materials that you need for this class. And I know I didn't go over too much about AP government, but I'll slowly get into it every time we meet. And let's go move on to number 3, the last thing that you have to do for the first day of school. It's an easy survey. Like first day of school, most teachers tell you, write a paragraph or 2 telling me about yourself. That's what you're doing today. There should be a text box, like a text entry at the bottom of this. If not, we'll figure it out. But there should be. At the bottom of this assignment, when it's posted, there should be something that you could submit. Answer these questions. Answer the following questions. This is your first graded assignment. If you answer all of these questions, you get the full points, okay? 10 points. Once you submit this, you're pretty much done for 1.1 for the first day of school. It's not going to take you 2 hours to do all of this, so you're going to have some free time. Enjoy it, by the way, because we're going to be doing a lot of stuff. Week 1 is going to be pretty chill. Starting week 2, we got a lot of work to do, guys. This is not an easy class. AP means advanced placement, right? College level. You guys are seniors. I'm sure most of you guys have already had an AP class, so you know how rigorous it can be. What questions do you need to answer? What's your name? Are you familiar with using Canvas and College Board? What do you expect to learn about in AP GoPo? So what's something that you're interested in? Like, I want to learn about elections, or I want to learn about, the president's powers, or I want to learn about illegal things that people have done in politics in the US, stuff like that. What are your goals in the future? This could be about your career or your life, what do you want to be when you grow up, or, how do you want to enjoy life when you grow up? What's one thing you really like doing that helps you stay stress-free? For me, it's video games. What's one thing I should know about you that will help me learn about you as a person? So I asked this question because there's certain kids that, they really don't like how a teacher could be sometimes. So it's a lot easier for me to work with you if you tell me like what the kind of person you are, That's it. Just answer all of these questions and hit submit, and you're pretty much done for 1.1, the first day of school. I know it's kind of weird because we're in distance learning, so we're not going to be able to communicate as socially as before. But I'm sure it's going to work out, guys. I'm always going to be on Google Hangouts, remember. So if you have any questions, just go there and ask me, all right? That's it for, sorry, I'm burping a lot. That's it for the 1.1 video, okay? So I'll see you guys later. Excited to have you guys, and take it easy.